Hello, hello, my friends. I'm back at Dan's Custom Machining again with one of my great inspirations, Dan the Man. Today we're going to talk a little bit about coolant. Now, in previous videos, we've talked about the importance of what he does here at Dan's Custom Machining with the Herco, with the Big Plus, with the Chick Vices, and the MCO cutting tools. Now we're going to talk a little bit about what coolant you've decided to go with. So, Dan, what do you do?
When we got this machine, we switched the Blaser Swiss Lube Be-Cool 755. It's been great for us as far as our sump life has been awesome. Tool life has went through the roof compared to other coolants that we've used in the past. And with having the through coolant on this spindle with 300 psi, we don't have any foaming issues that come with letting the through coolant run for hours at a time for long run times.
So previously you have used other coolants and you maybe had some issues with foaming. You spoke about the through spindle coolant on the Herco machine. And then you spoke about, a much longer tool life. Blaser Swiss Lube has helped with that.
Yeah, by far, especially in the foaming issue aspect. We've had a lot of issues with that in the past. And then even surface finish, we're getting some amazing finishes off of parts that are just mind-blowing coming off of a machine. A lot of people think there's no way to get that good of a finish coming straight off of a mill.
Well, which specific brand or part of Blaser Swiss Lube do you use? Because I've seen videos where some of my friends have actually tried to drink it.
No, we use their Be-Cool 755 coolant that they sell. It was a good fit for our shop based on what the reps all recommended. They were super helpful at picking out what coolant would fit the type of work that we do, and even the water quality. I learned a lot about coolants when I first reached out to them, and they did a water test first to see what chemistry would work well with their coolant brands to what we had out here.
It's pretty significant to understand that coolant's not a universal thing for the most part, right? It's not one size fits all. It's pretty important to have for you this Be-Cool and then other variations based on, what other companies might need.
Yeah, definitely. And they offer a big variety to cover any range that you want from. Even if you would want to run straight oil in a machine for your Swiss style machines, they offer a oil for that, or all the way from synthetic. They do a full synthetic coolant. Anything you would need, they can cover.
It really sounds like you fine-tuned this operation here at Dan's Custom Machining. How long have you been in business?
We are going on year 5.
Congratulations.
We just completed the 4th year.
Congratulations. And I've seen massive growth in what you're doing since a couple of years ago when I first stopped by this shop. So I wish you continued success, continued growth, and thank you for continuing to share your stories with us.
Thank you, Tony. I appreciate it.